how to change bank account on WeBull app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change your bank account on the WeBull app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your bank account on the WeBull app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the WeBull application over here. Once you launch the WeBull app, you have to tap the WeBull logo in the middle bottom of the screen. Now, if you're eligible for payment options and so on, you'll be able to find the WeBull logo right in between this. In case you don't find it, there is also another way to do it. But if you do have, then you have to just click the transfer tab. Then under bank account, just tap the currently linked account that you want unlinked. Then just tap the trash icon to unlink it. After that, you can just select add bank account option and then respectively go ahead and then add a new bank account in this case. You can also come to the menu page and then come to settings in order to do so. This way you can change your bank account on WeBull. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.